Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick video, something I found at Lowe's for this is going to be probably part 4 of the drip system that I'm going to be building for my wife's garden. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is going to be part 4. So part 1 was Home Depot, part 2 was Lowe's, part 3 was Home Depot, part 4 is going to be Lowe's. These are items I'm picking up slowly at a time for my wife's drip system project. And this is an item that I've been looking for months. I just couldn't find it anywhere. Home Depot Walmart supposedly had the apps. I irritate the piss out of me, and I can't stand the stupid apps. You know, you look at a Walmart app or you look at the Home Depot app, and it says it's got the item. You show up because it says they got 30 or 40 of them or whatever. You get there and then nobody has it. You know, Walmart had on their app that 4 stores around me had. One store had like 6. One store had like 20, one store had like 37, and one store had like 10 of this particular item, and they were all $5. You know, and everywhere else was selling them for 14, 16, 30. You know, Amazon wants $20 to $40 for these things, and come to find out, I get to every single one of those stores, and you can't even find a SKU for it. You can't even find a shelf that has a sticker that says it's supposed to be there, and it's aggravating. But we were at Lowe's just looking around. I wasn't particularly there to buy anything, and I'm like, you know, let's just go outside and look to see what they have for like the hoses and adapters and stuff, and they had one of these. It was the only one there. So we grabbed it. I checked it before we grabbed it. All of the knobs work. They all function. No issues. And I also, in one of the other videos, I think it was part 1, I picked up like 2 packs of these caps. So I ended up with 4. Well, these are green. They're easy to see. They're a lot wider than the black ones I picked up. So I picked up 3 packs. They're like $1 a pack. This was like 15 bucks, something like that. What was it? It was $16.98. Let me get a pair of cutters. You know, I didn't think I was gonna find it. It was kind of like a fluke that we actually found it. The manifold, and there's something else in here. Oh, some mounting hardware. Okay, I guess if you wanted to mount it to it does have this little bracket on the back. Maybe you drill a hole in the wall and mount this bracket to the wall so it secures it from the weight, maybe, because it's got 2 different anchors. It's got this plastic anchor and it's got this metal anchor. It's 2 different types of bolts too. It's a hex head and a screw head. And then there's this one with a nut on it. Not for that. This one does not look like it's for this one. That's this one. Yeah, so this might be for this one right here because it's nice and tight. That's interesting. It's got this little bar. Looks like it's for that. Does have a O-ring. I'm assuming it's probably missing a lot because looks like there's stuff missing from the package. It came with one O-ring and there's 4 outlets, and the inlet has an O-ring. Oh, this is not the right. Oh, so maybe this is for the other item that's attaching to it, maybe. So this little bolt is for the bracket. Oh yeah. So this is to stabilize it. So this connects like this. Yeah. I've never seen a stabilizing bracket for these before. It's pretty interesting. Comes with a lock washer and a nut for this little bolt, which it's too wide for this bracket, but plastic wall anchor, hose washer, large screw, metal wall anchor, 7 1/4 bracket. Well, it's a nice little pack. It does say it only comes with 1 O-ring, so it does come with a variety of options. Yeah, this one looks like it goes to this one. So, I'm sure I can always use a different screw size if I wanted to, or different anchors. But, you know, for 16 bucks, you know, if you're trying to attach one hose here and 2, you know, drip systems and, you know, other items, if you can find it and you don't have to wait for it, you know, online or whatever, you know, for 16 bucks it's not bad. And I just, these little caps I picked up, they're all for the gardening project. You know, I didn't want this video to be like excessively long, and you know, I apologize for that. It's just supposed to be a quick look at what I had gotten from Lowe's. I also picked up a bunch of stuff from Home Depot as well. We'll do a separate video on that. And I'll have a question for you guys on that video if you guys know how to answer that question. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by. This is Yardsmith brand. It's what Lowe's carries. But you know, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smash the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, and my DJI Electronics affiliate links. Appreciate you guys sticking around. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!